Antarctica, the world's last frontier, holds a special fascination for adventurers, scientists, and nature enthusiasts alike. This continent of ice and snow, covered by a thick layer of ice that stretches for miles, remains largely unexplored and unknown due to its harsh and unforgiving environment. But as technology and logistics advances, more and more people are venturing into this remote corner of the world to discover its secrets. Antarctica is a continent located at the southernmost point on Earth. It is the fifth largest continent in the world, with an area of 13.66 million square kilometers, and is mostly covered in ice that averages 1.9 kilometers thick. It is the coldest, windiest, and driest continent on Earth, and has the highest elevation of any continent. The landscape of Antarctica is dominated by a vast ice sheet that covers roughly 98% of the continent, with ice shelves and glaciers that flow from the land to the sea. The ice sheet is up to 4.5 kilometers thick and represents the largest single mass of ice on Earth. As a result of its cold and dry climate, the ice sheet has accumulated over millions of years, preserving a record of the Earth's climate history. Antarctica is also home to the Transantarctic Mountains, a range that divides the continent into two regions, east and west. Despite its inhospitable climate, Antarctica is home to a wide variety of wildlife and has adapted to survive in these extreme conditions. Perhaps the most famous residents of Antarctica are the penguins, with several different species that can be found across the continent. Emperor penguins, the largest of the penguin species, can be found in the harshest parts of the continent, where temperatures can plunge to -40 degrees Celsius. Other iconic creatures that inhabit Antarctica include seals, whales, and seabirds. The Southern Ocean that surrounds Antarctica is also teeming with life, supporting a rich ecosystem that includes krill, squid, and fish. Antarctica has been known to humans for over 1,000 years, but it was only in the 20th century that significant exploration of the continent began. The first recorded landing on the continent was made by the Norwegian explorer, Karsten Borchgrevink, in 1895. Since then, countless expeditions have taken place, including the famous expeditions led by Sir Ernest Shackleton and Robert Falcon Scott in the early 1900s. Today, Antarctica is home to several research facilities operated by countries around the world, where scientists are studying everything from climate change to marine biology. Antarctica remains one of the most mysterious and intriguing places on Earth, a frozen wilderness that has captivated explorers and adventurers for centuries. Whether you're interested in its unique wildlife, frozen landscapes, or fascinating history, there is something about this remote corner of the world that continues to amaze and inspire.